Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Chats. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. Welcome back, everyone. We hope you're having a fantastic day.
Before we jump into today's lesson, if you're enjoying our 30-day English Confidence Challenge, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. It really helps us continue making free English lessons for you.
Thank you so much for all your support. Every like, every comment, and every subscription means a lot to us.
All right, today is day 24.
Wow! Only one more lesson after today before we finish week 5.
Time is flying. How are you today, Alex?
I'm doing really well. I had a nice breakfast, the weather is great, and I even went for a short walk this morning. So I'm feeling ready for today's lesson. How about you?
That sounds like a nice start to the day. I'm doing well too. I spent some time drawing this morning before work. It always helps me relax.
You always have interesting hobbies. I wish I had hobbies like that.
You do have hobbies. Watching movies, drinking coffee, eating pizza, and playing football.
Those are excellent hobbies, right? So, what are we talking about today?
Yesterday, we learned how to ask for directions. We practiced phrases like, go straight, turn left, and where is the shopping mall?
And today, we finally arrived at the shopping mall.
That's right. Today's topic is shopping for clothes.
I think this lesson will help a lot of people.
Especially when someone asks you questions that you don't understand.
Exactly. Questions like, what size are you? Or would you like to try it on?
Don't worry. By the end of today's episode, you'll know exactly how to answer those questions.
Emma, I have a confession.
What is it?
I don't enjoy shopping for clothes.
I know.
I like buying food. I like buying coffee. But clothes? Not really.
Why not?
Because it takes forever. You walk into one store, then another store, then another store. You try on 10 shirts and leave without buying anything.
That's because you're impatient.
Yeah, maybe.
I actually enjoy shopping. Not every weekend, but once in a while it's fun to look around and see what's new.
I have noticed something about you.
What's that?
You always dress nicely.
Thank you. I know. You own about 5 blue t-shirts.
They're not the same. One is light blue, one is dark blue. One has a pocket, one doesn't.
Okay. Well, even if you don't love shopping, everyone needs to buy new clothes sometimes. A lot of people like shopping online, but when it comes to clothes, I still prefer shopping at malls. I like trying things on before I buy them to make sure they fit and look good.
That's true. And when you travel, you'll probably visit a clothing store sooner or later.
Okay.
Let's start with something very important. Size.
When you buy clothes, the first thing you usually check is the size.
You'll often see letters instead of numbers. The most common ones are S, M, and L.
S means small. M means medium. And L means large.
Sometimes you'll also see XL. XL means extra large.
Different countries use different size systems, but These letters are very common, so you'll see them almost everywhere.
Emma, what size do you usually wear?
I usually wear a small, sometimes an extra small, depending on the brand. What about you?
I usually wear a large because I'm quite tall.
Everyone wears a different size, and that's completely normal. The important thing is finding clothes that fit you comfortably.
And that's what we'll learn next.
So now we've found the right size. Before you buy clothes, you should always make sure they fit well.
Yeah, sometimes a shirt looks great on the hanger, but when you wear it, not so much.
Exactly. That's why clothing stores have a special place where you can change your clothes.
Do you remember what it's called, everyone?
It's called the fitting room in English.
What's the fitting room in your language? You can write in our comment below.
The fitting room is a small, private room where you can try on clothes before buying them.
If you can't find it, don't be shy. Just ask one of the shop assistants. You can ask, "Excuse me, where is the fitting room?"
That's perfect. Or you can ask, "Excuse me, can I try this on, please?"
Then the shop assistant might smile and say, "Of course, the fitting rooms are over there."
Sometimes the size is almost right, but you need just one size bigger or smaller.
Then you ask the shop assistant for another size. Do you have this in a medium? Or do you have this in a large?
Maybe the size is perfect, but you don't like the color.
Well, if you want another color, you can ask, "Do you have this in blue?" Or, "Do you have this in black?"
Maybe you prefer red or gray.
Whatever color you like, you just replace the last word with the color. Do you have this in blue, black, green?
Very easy, right?
Then the shop assistant brings another one for you.
You go back to the fitting room, try it on again, look in the mirror.
And this time, it's perfect. It feels comfortable.
And that's when we use one of today's most useful expressions. It fits perfectly.
And if you're happy with it, there's only one thing left to say.
I'll take it. That means, yes, I'd like to buy it.
And now you're ready to pay.
Okay, now let's do a role play. Imagine you're shopping. You've found a jacket you like, but you need a different size.
Emma will be the shop assistant, and Alex will be the customer. Let's begin.
Hello. Welcome. Can I help you with anything today?
Hi, I'm just looking, thank you.
Of course. Let me know if you need any help.
Excuse me,
Yes?
I really like this jacket. Can I try it on, please?
Of course. The fitting rooms are just over there, next to the mirrors.
Great, thank you.
How does it look?
I like the color, but I think it's a little too big.
No problem. What size are you looking for?
Do you have this in a medium?
Let me check. Yes, here's a medium.
Thank you very much.
So, how about this one?
It's much better.
Does it fit comfortably?
Yes, it fits perfectly.
That's great.
Actually, do you have this jacket in blue?
Let me see. I'm sorry. We only have black and brown.
That's okay. I think I'll take the black one.
Excellent choice.
See? That wasn't difficult at all.
A completely successful shopping trip.
Great. Now it is time for our vocabulary highlight. Let's review 2 of the most important words from today's chat.
The first phrase is try on. T-R-Y-O-N. Try on.
Try on is a phrasal verb. It means you put a piece of clothing on your body to see if it looks good and feels comfortable before you buy it.
Yes, I want to try on these shoes. Can I try this dress on, please?
The second word is fitting room. F-I-T-T-I-N-G-R-O-O-M. Fitting room.
A fitting room is the small, private room inside a clothing store. It usually has a mirror so you can see yourself.
Whenever you have clothes in your hand, you ask the worker, "Excuse me, where is the fitting room?"
Okay, everyone, it is time for our shadowing practice. Let's practice our shopping phrases.
We will say a simple sentence. Then we will pause.
During the pause, you must speak out loud. Copy our pronunciation carefully.
Imagine you are in a clothing store in New York. Are you ready? Let's practice.
Sentence number 1. Excuse me, can I try this on?
Sentence number 2. Where is the fitting room, please?
Sentence number 3. This shirt is too big.
Sentence number 4. Do you have this in a medium?
Sentence number 5. Do you have this in blue?
Sentence number 6. It fits perfectly. I will take it.
Fantastic job! You are speaking with so much confidence.
Yes! Let's go shopping.
Now it is time for our question of the day. This is your action step for day 24.
We want to know more about you.
The question is, do you like shopping for clothes? What is your favorite color to wear?
Go to the comments section right now and practice your writing.
You can write, I love shopping. My favorite color to wear is red.
Or, if you are like me, you can write, I do not like shopping. I just wear t-shirts.
Tell us. And don't forget to type Day 24 completed at the end of your comment.
Yes, keep your amazing streak alive. Tomorrow is Friday, the last day of week 5.
Thank you so much for joining us for Day 24 of the 30-Day English Confidence Challenge. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe to our channel.
We will be back tomorrow for Day 25. Have a wonderful day and happy shopping.
Goodbye, Alex.
Bye, Emma. Bye, everyone. Stay confident. Keep
keep practicing.
See you tomorrow.